Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar Al-Rahman. Um, Here is my warning to Best Pilsa, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. and Gene Asejo, especially to those two idiots, Angelo Bonsa and Jeffrey Asejo. For four of you, I have a warning for five of you. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gene Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, and even Angelo Bonsa, aka Ted Everyday. Why can't all of you just stop messing around in social media? Otherwise, five of you are such an idiotic and eradicated people. All of you are uneducated. Why all of you wants to harass Jerick Silva, huh? What is the real ambition for all of you? You know what? I'm just gonna say to you, first of all, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know what, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, after you pissed Isa Ivancula, the girlfriend of Teacher Vince, and then you pissed Teacher Gio Malana, and you pissed the Miss Earth candidates. Even Andrea Aguilera Arroyabe was not mentioned in the group chat. You still mentioning about her? Even Mina Suchoy, you damage her reputation. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. People are mad at you. And you defend the GMA network who were convicted in rape or martial rape. Do you know what happened to Sandro Mulak? Oh, who was being harassed? He was being sexual harassed. He was being raped by the GMA production teams. This is why people are angry at you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know, for me, folks, I do not want to curse my profanity word. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, people are saying you PI in Tagalog word. That is came from Rodelio Daguman's mouth. Oh, that is came from Bam Hernando's mouth. Oh, both of them, they never say PI or PUTA, PUTA, and GINA. Oh. That's what you going to yourself to be disturbed. Because you deserve your consequence. You deserve your humiliation. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. For what you just did to others, what you just did to the public, I will never forgive you for what you have done. Even you praise that those stupid terrorists, even ISIS, even Ayom Shinikyo, are designated terrorist organization by Japan and Iraq. Oh, during the time of Ayatollah Sistani, that ISIS is declared a terrorist organization by Iraqi government. Oh, Ayum Shinikyo is a cult terrorist group in Japan. It was designated a terrorist organization in Japan under by Shinzo Abe. Shinzo Abe had told to Vladimir Putin to bring those criminals who were member of Ayum Shinikyo from Russia to Japan. Russia is open extradition to transport the Ayum Shinikyo who were convicted a criminal, and they bring back to Japan. Oh, what is your ambition, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? Why are you praising those stupid terrorist group? I had enough about this fucking terrorist group, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, I don't like terrorism. ISIS and Ayum Shinikio are both terrorists. Oh, they are worse than they are worse than Yakuza. They are worse than Mossad. They are worse. Oh, what is your ambition, Best Pills? Like J. Silva says to you, may problema ka sa pag-iisip mo, Best Pills. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you have to stop praising those terrorist group. I mean, I never say that Ayum Shinikio and ISIS are real brutal. They are real terrorist group. I don't like terrorism. I did not idolize ISIS. I did not idolize Ayum Shinikio. I praise the Iraqi government and Ayatollah Sistani. I praise Shinzo Abe that I side with the Iraqi and the Japanese government. Oh, I side with them. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo. ISIS is already defeated. Ayum Shinikio was already disbanded. ISIS and Ayum Shinikio were disbanded in Iraq and Japan. Oh, do not praise that cult terrorist group. Do not praise that Salafist terrorist group, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo. You are running out of your mind. Even you, Gina Sejo, and Jeffrey Asejo, please stop praising Ayum Shinikio, both of you. If the Japanese government seen this, oh, Gina Sejo, oh, they will arrest you. The Japanese police are looking at you, oh. Even the Japanese counter-terrorist unit, they looking at you. Oh, hey, you're a SPED teacher in Japan. Hey, you're working, you're teaching with those special needs who were autism, who were Japanese students, who were studying there in a special school in Japan, in Nagoya. Oh, Kenta-san doesn't like Ayum Shinikio. Oh, even Fumiya Sankai, the Japanese blogger, he doesn't like Ayum Shinikio because both Kenta-san and Fumiya Sankai, they don't like terrorism. They don't like Ayum Shinikio. Oh, even that you praise a terrorist group, you will be arrested, Gina Sejo. One more bomb joke again, one more cult praising again about Ayum Shinikio, you will be arrested. Seriously, you will be arrested. I do not like terrorism. Oh, even Jeffrey Asejo will be damage his reputation. Oh, even your daughter, Kesha. Oh, Kesha Asejo. You will get in trouble. And your children will get involved. Oh, and even you, Jima Kasandil. Please stop making a bomb joke in social media, Jima Kasandil. You're working in Dubai. You're an uncle of Paula Nunez. Do not curse me with the GAGO. And do not make bomb joke there if you say in Emirates. Oh, the Emirates police are going to arrest you. Oh, do not say any kind of bomb threat. Oh, that's really illegal. And especially for you, Angelo Bonsa, rape is not a bail. You have to stop what you're harassing at. You're harassing other people. Angelo Bonsa, aka Ted Everyday. Oh, and you spread the fake news. You spread that Itbulaga, TVJ are going to transfer to Meralco Theater. They don't have decided yet. They don't have news yet. Like in Miss Earth, they don't spread a fake news. If I were you, Ted Everyday, Angelo Bonsa, quit on your spreading of fake news. Avoid of spreading a fake news in social media. Oh, and that is not true. Oh, thank God, if I was saying to you, 5 of you, best pills are Nel Castillo, G. Macasandil, Jean Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Angelo Bonsa. Oh, at least 5 of you will deserve your consequence. Oh, Arbatera betrays you, best pills. Arnel Castillo, you praise terrorist group what is called Ayom Shinikyo, you praise the ISIS. Best pills. ISIS already defeated. Thanks to Iraqi Popular Mobilization Forces and Kataib Hezbollah. Oh, thanks to Iranian Quds Force that they defeated the ISIS. Oh, look at in Japan. Oh, Ayum Shinikyo was already defeated by Shinzo Abe. Ayum Shinikyo were killed by the Japanese counter-terrorist unit, even the Japanese police. Oh, why can't you just stop praising those pathetic and stupidity with those kind of you praising those asshole terrorists? I don't care terrorism. I don't care ISIS. I don't care Ayum Shinikyo. For me, best pills are Nel Castillo. Quit on your terrorism joke. Quit on your promoting of your goddamn terrorist propaganda. However, terrorism is not a joke. Terrorism is not a knowledge. That is your consequence, best pills. Arnel Castillo. This is what I'm gonna say to you in the public.